I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus InDesign. Figma is a powerful, cloud-based design tool primarily used for user interface and user experience design, focusing on digital products like websites and mobile applications. InDesign, on the other hand, is an industry-standard desktop publishing software, excelling in creating print and digital layouts for documents such as magazines, books, and brochures. Understanding their core purposes is key to choosing the right tool for your specific design needs and project goals. Figma shines in its collaborative capabilities, allowing multiple designers to work simultaneously on a single file in real time, fostering seamless teamwork. Its robust prototyping features enable the creation of interactive user flows and animations, bringing designs to life. With features like auto layout and components, building and maintaining design systems becomes incredibly efficient. Being entirely cloud-based, Figma offers unparalleled accessibility, letting you access your projects from virtually any device with an internet connection, enhancing flexibility for design teams. InDesign is unmatched for its advanced typography controls, offering precise adjustments for characters, paragraphs, and entire stories, crucial for professional print. Its powerful layout tools are designed for managing multi-page documents, master pages, and complex grid systems, making it ideal for publications. The integrated prooflighting feature helps identify and correct potential errors before printing, ensuring high-quality output. Furthermore, its deep integration within the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem provides a smooth workflow when collaborating with other Adobe applications like Photoshop and Illustrator. When deciding between these two powerful tools, consider your project's primary output. Choose Figma for web design, mobile application interfaces, and any collaborative digital product development where real-time teamwork is essential. Opt for InDesign for brochures, magazines, books, interactive PDFs, and any project primarily focused on print or complex multi-page layouts. Many design professionals find value in utilizing both tools for different stages or types of design work, leveraging each one's unique strengths to achieve optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.